In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change estimated tax payments in TurboTax. To get started, sign in to your TurboTax account and open the tax return you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct return before making any updates, especially if you've started more than one. Once you're inside your return, head to the Federal section and select Other Tax Situations. This is where TurboTax groups several tax-related tools that don't always appear in the main income or deduction areas. From there, scroll down until you find the section called Other Tax Forms. Look for Form W-4 and Estimated Taxes, then click Start next to it. This tool helps you update your projected tax information, so TurboTax can recalculate your estimated payments more accurately. When the next screen appears, select Estimates and click Continue. You'll then be asked to choose your expected filing status. Pick the option that matches how you expect to file, then Continue. After that, enter your age and move forward. TurboTax uses this information, along with the rest of your entries, to estimate your tax situation more precisely. Next, answer the dependent questions and continue. Be as accurate as possible here, since dependents can affect your overall tax liability and, in turn, your estimated payments. After that, enter your expected W-2 wage information and click Continue. This section is important because your expected wages and withholding are major factors in determining whether your estimated tax payments need to go up or down. You'll then review and update any expected investment income, other income, and losses. Take your time with this part and make sure the figures reflect your current expectations for the year. Even small changes in dividend income, freelance income, or capital gains can affect the payment amounts TurboTax generates. Next, update your expected adjustments to income and continue through the remaining prompts. As you move through these screens, TurboTax may ask for a few follow-up details based on your entries. Just continue carefully and review each answer before moving on. Once you reach the summary, review the updated estimated tax payment amounts generated by TurboTax. This is the key step where you confirm whether the new amounts look right based on the information you entered. If everything looks good, save your changes. That's all it takes to update your estimated tax payments in TurboTax. Keeping these estimates current can help you avoid underpaying or overpaying during the year. Thanks for watching.